200,000 mortgage holders are at risk of paying increased mortgage rates. Irish banks have come under pressure to increase the rates they offer to savers. That's according to the founder of Money Sherpa, Mark Cohen, who joins me now. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Pat.
Now, this pressure, I mean, it might seem ridiculous, but why leave your money in a bank if you're getting no interest on that money and you can put it elsewhere? So the pressure, where's that pressure coming from, except from the unreality of what the banks are offering?
You're absolutely right, Pat. So Irish banks are coming under pressure to increase the 0% overnight rates they're currently offering to savers. And the pressure is coming from international players. It's coming from outside Ireland. So the German fintech Trade Republic, and there's a Dutch bank called Bunq. They're offering overnight rates already in the Irish market of 1.5% to 2%. And what the Irish banks are really worried about, though, is if Revolut do the same for their 2 million customers. So there's 150 billion currently on deposit with the Irish banks. That would be under threat. And they really need to head that off in the next coming months by increasing the rates from 0% to more around a reasonable return of around 2%. So that is in the post. But the issue really is the good news for savers is likely to mean bad news for borrowers, because banks will look to preserve their margin between what they're offering to savers and what they're charging to lenders. So that although there is good news potentially for savers in the coming months, there's potentially some bad news for lenders.
So are there any positive interest rates on offer in the Irish market at the moment?
If you're taking an overnight rate, so you're just putting your money in the bank and you're not offering to fix it with the bank long term, then the rates are all but zero. If you choose to fix your deposit for a year or more, then you can get rates from Irish banks of around just under the 1% mark. But as I say, you can get the overnight rates at 1.5% to 2% in Ireland from Trade Republic and Bunq. And if you're prepared to fix and use a bank called Raisin, so Raisin offer access to banks right across Europe, you can get as high as 3.6 for a 1-year rate. So that's what's putting the Irish banks under so much pressure.